Hey guys, in order to do today's assignment, you have to install a Google Chrome extension called Kami, K-A-M-I. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. What you want to do is in your Google Chrome browser, you want to type chrome.google.com/webstore. If you have to pause the video right here so you can type that, go ahead and pause it now. Type that in, and then you'll go to the web store. All right? So once you're at the web store, you want to search for the extension Kami, K-A-M-I. That's what it's called, Kami. When you type it, it should come up. It's called Kami extension, PDF, and document annotation. That's what you want. You want to click it. I've already added it, so when I click it, it says remove from Chrome. But for you, you want to click whatever it says, like add extension or install or whatever. You want to click that and make sure you install the Kami extension. That way, when you do today's assignment, you'll see a button that says open with Kami. It'll actually work. It'll open it with Kami. And when you open the assignment, it'll be a worksheet, but it'll let you write on the worksheet. So we don't have to do a Jamboard or anything like that. You can write right on the worksheet, and then it'll let you turn it in using Schoology. If this doesn't work for you or you have trouble with this, please email me and let me know. Don't just not do the assignment, but email me and let me know that you're having trouble, and I'll try to help you. All right, guys, thanks. Please like and subscribe.